Hello, friends. Today, we will perform maintenance on our Volkswagen Touareg 3.0 diesel. We will replace the engine oil filter, air filter, and fuel filter, as well as clean the air conditioning system and replace the cabin filter. We will use Ravenol SMP 5W30 oil and filters from Mail. Regular vehicle maintenance is the key to its longevity and reliability. Timely oil and filter changes ensure the stable operation of the engine and other systems. Ignoring these procedures can lead to increased wear of components, reduced efficiency, and even serious breakdowns. If you've watched this far, please like and comment so I know you found my video interesting. The oil filter is responsible for cleaning the oil from contaminants that form during engine operation. Using a high-quality filter, such as Mahal, ensures effective filtration and protects the engine from wear. Mahal filters are known for their high quality and reliability, as evidenced by their use as original components for many car manufacturers. The air filter ensures a supply of clean air to the engine, which is essential for optimal fuel combustion. A clogged filter can lead to increased fuel consumption and reduced engine power. Regular air filter replacement maintains engine efficiency and reduces harmful emissions into the atmosphere. The fuel filter cleans the fuel from impurities, preventing contaminants from entering the injection system and combustion chamber. Many drivers underestimate the importance of timely fuel filter replacement, which can lead to reduced engine performance and increased wear on fuel system components. Mahal filters provide reliable filtration and durability. Choosing the right engine oil is essential for ensuring the long-lasting and trouble-free operation of the engine. We have selected Ravenol SMP 5W30, a synthetic oil with low sulfate, ash, phosphorus, and sulfur content, suitable for modern diesel and gasoline engines. This oil provides excellent wear protection, low fuel consumption, and reduced harmful emissions. Additionally, Ravenol SMP 5W30 helps extend the lifespan of diesel particulate filters and three-way catalytic converters. The air conditioning system provides a comfortable microclimate in the car interior. Over time, bacteria and fungi can accumulate in it, which cause an unpleasant odor and can negatively affect the health of passengers. Cleaning the air conditioning system with a foam cleaner is an effective method of combating these problems. The foam cleaner penetrates into hard-to-reach places, removing dirt and disinfecting the system. After cleaning, it is recommended to replace the cabin filter to ensure clean air is supplied to the cabin. Mayhole filters are characterized by high quality and filtration efficiency, which guarantees clean and fresh air inside the car. Regular and timely maintenance of your car, including oil and filter changes, is the key to its reliable operation and durability. The use of quality materials, such as Ravenol SMP 5W30 oil and mayhole filters, provides optimal engine protection and passenger comfort. Do not neglect these procedures, and your car will thank you for its trouble-free operation for many years.